Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Audi S4. First, ensure your engine is at its optimal operating temperature for peak performance. Next, select Dynamic Mode, which optimizes your car's settings for a spirited drive. Remember to turn off traction control to allow for maximum power delivery. And finally, engage Sport Mode on your transmission. Now, let's activate launch control. With your left foot, firmly press the brake pedal all the way down. Simultaneously, with your right foot, press the accelerator pedal fully to the floor. Hold both pedals until you feel the engine RPM stabilize at a higher level. You might see a launch control active message on your dashboard. With launch control engaged, it's time for the exciting part. Quickly and smoothly release the brake pedal. It's crucial to maintain full throttle application throughout this process. Your Audi S4 will intelligently manage wheel spin and execute precise gear shifts, propelling you forward with impressive, rapid acceleration from a complete standstill. After your exhilarating launch, remember to return your car to its normal driving modes. It's also important to allow the drivetrain to cool down between launches to prevent excessive wear. To preserve your vehicle's components, avoid performing frequent launches. Always practice this technique in a safe, controlled environment, away from public roads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.